The extraordinary mission of ESA's Rosetta spacecraft around comet 67P is nearly over. In September, it will crash land on its surface and die. After almost 2 years of scientific operations, partially supported by the lander Philae, Rosetta has gained new insights into the makeup of a distant comet. Ingredients regarded as crucial for the origins of life on Earth have been discovered, explains the deputy head of Rosina, one of the 11 instruments aboard Rosetta. We found different molecules, especially organic molecules. We did not know they were also on comets. Amino acids are one example. There were also different hydrocarbons. Another example is molecular oxygen, the same as the one we breathe here on Earth. We found a lot of it on the comet, though there is no life on the comet. Scientists have long claimed that water and organic molecules could have been brought by asteroids and comets to Earth, delivering some of the key building blocks for life.
We have
studied the water on the comet, and it turns out actually that this type of comet cannot have brought all the water we have on Earth, but only a small contribution. There are other comets where the water is more compatible.
Es gibt wiederum andere Kometen, da passt das Wasser besser.
By collecting gas and dust from the comet, it was possible to claim that its water is not the same as Earth's. However, Rosetta discovered other important elements.
Man hat früher mal angenommen, dass Kometen Wasser auf die Erde gebracht.
Once it was assumed that comets could have brought water to Earth, but water also comes with other materials such as organic matter, organic molecules, and that's what makes comets interesting. Rosetta is to complete its mission in a controlled descent to the surface of the comet on the 30th of September. The spacecraft, which has travelled for 12 years in space, will be so far away from the Sun that its solar power will be significantly reduced, and this will affect its instruments.
Im September werden wir langsam auf dem Kometen landen.
In September, we will be slowly landing on the comet. We will be so far from the Sun that the probe will not have enough energy.
Wollen wir einen fulminanten Abschluss.
For this reason, we want to end the mission by landing on the comet. During the landing, we will keep on doing measurements with the sensors, and we hope to find many new molecules and components. During its final descent, Rosetta will be able to gather a lot of precious close-up measurements and new data, including very high-resolution imaging, giving us new insights into this extraordinary solar body.
Also aus wissenschaftlicher Hinsicht ist es natürlich sehr interessant für uns.
From a scientific perspective, it is very interesting for us to get closer to the comet. We hope to find elements that we have not discovered so far. The closer to the source we get, the more of these rare molecules we catch, and we still hope to find some others. Rosetta will begin changing its trajectory in August by starting a series of elliptical orbits that will lead it progressively nearer to the comet. The impact will take place at a speed of 50 centimeters per second, nearly half the landing speed of Philae in November 2014. On the other side, the mission is over, and we will get no more data, although we have already gathered a lot of data. It will also be a moment we will view with a little nostalgia. Whilst Rosetta lies at rest near Philae on the comet 67P, more science will be released for many years thanks to the huge amount of data sent to Earth since 2014.